أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله.
What Allah said, لا تأكلوا haram. Haram, unlawful thing, don't eat it. So it is the forbidden thing, nahi. So we should avoid the haram. Avoid haram eating. We should avoid eating haram. We should avoid selling haram. We should avoid buying haram. We should avoid carrying haram. And we should avoid giving the witness on haram. How many people? Seller, one. Seller of haram, seller of unlawful thing, haram. Buyer of unlawful thing, haram. We should avoid. And carrier, carry. For example, you have a truck, you are carrying the alcohol, haram. Avoid. Don't do this. Number 4, witness. Need witness in this business. To witness, don't give the witness because it is haram. This is called taqwa.